This is a very large shoe rack that I got to have all my shoes organized in one place. It does require installation, and there are actually quite a lot of few parts, and they're very similar because of just the nature of this shoe rack. There are a few different lengths of pipes. There's black metal pipes that needs to be connected with a plastic connector. So reading the instructions are critical. The instruction is pretty helpful, but it does take some time to kind of get used to it. But once you get a hang of it, it's basically the same pattern, just repeated multiple times. They provide you with small hammer, which is very helpful and convenient. We started by assembling smaller pieces together to make a larger or longer pieces like this, and then when it's ready in this form, then it's ready to be stacked vertically. A nice thing about the design is that there are some sections that are aligned, and there are also some sections that are made for taller shoes or boots. So assembly process, pretty much you go vertically all the way up, and this is what the final product looks like. I think the biggest trick here is to make sure that everything's aligned properly, because all of these connectors are plastic, so they are very bendable. So there are quite a few of adjustment that we had to do after this whole thing is assembled to make sure that everything is perpendicular. They're aligned side to side, and once everything's aligned, they're actually pretty stable. Here I'm testing and just try to move the rack. It's actually quite high, but they're pretty stable once everything is aligned correctly. So this is my situation before the rack, and this is after. So as you can see, this would fit quite a lot of pairs, and I find it very helpful to just kind of organize and tidy up our area.